Hello children, welcome back. Last day we learned a lesson about birds. So let's recall. Do you remember the song Birds? Yes children? Okay. Now we'll sing together. Okay? Now all of you please stand in your place. Okay. With the action we will do. Let's start. Okay. Look at the birds up in the treetop, building its nest with no time to stop, hatching its eggs so smooth and so round, then feeding its babies worms from the ground. Okay, children? Okay. Now, today we are going to start activity. You all like coloring, children? Yes? Yes. Now take page number 17. Okay, in that you can see a bird picture. You see a bird picture? Yes, you can color as you like. But it should be neat and clear. Light shading is enough. No need to make it dark. Light shading is enough for coloring. And don't use any watercolors. Use only crayons. Here I will show an example. See, like this you have to color the picture. You can give different colors. No need of giving yellow. If you want to give orange, you can give orange or blue. Whatever color you like, you can give. No problem in that. But the picture should be neat. Okay. Now, in the next page, back side of this page, you have a puzzle. Do you like playing puzzle? Yes? Okay. In that, some birds' name are given. 10 birds' name are there. First one is vulture, turkey, swallow, cock, myna, partridge, penguin, owl, cuckoo and crow. 10 birds' name is given there and picture also there in your worksheet. What you have to do, take a pencil and circle the word from the puzzle. That is all for today for your activity. So do it well. Thank you.